Okay, Bosch dishwasher. This is a superb product for us. This is, again, a white 60 centimetre freestanding dishwasher. It has a fully stainless steel tub, and at the moment it's backed by a 5-year warranty. The cutlery drawer is becoming ever more popular. People like to use it so that they get a thorough clean on their knives, forks, spoons. And then also, as with many of the products, you have the height adjustable top basket. This is superb because you can actually alter it whether the basket's empty, partially full or full up. So if you do find you've got something which won't go in because of the cutlery drawer, you can just reduce the height and then it'll slide under with no problems whatsoever. The cutlery drawer frees up an awful lot of space in the bottom basket, so this gives you more room for your plates, bowls, spoons, and it's got, again, very nice features whereby you can lay down some of the plate holders to allow you to put saucepans, casserole dishes, anything that's taller on here without having to force them over the prongs. The system on this dishwasher gives you an auto wash, and basically if you use the auto wash, the machine will work out how heavy your load is, how dirty, and it will adjust the temperature and the time accordingly, so you always get a perfect wash.